Hello guys, it's Cody. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install iOS 15 on your iPhone or iPadOS 15 on your iPad, of course. So all you need is just get this shortcut. It's called Beta Profiles. I'll share the shortcut link in the description. Just click the link to get this shortcut, and let me just run it. As you can see, you get the iOS, iPadOS, and WatchOS. Let me just get the iOS 15. This website, you see, this website is trying to download configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Yes, click allow. Profile downloaded. Let me go to the settings. Profiles, settings, general, and scroll down. You find the profile. You see here, iOS 15, beta software. You see, and tap on install. Enter your passcode, and consent install. Install here. Restart required. Restart. You open the settings, general, software update. Let's check update. You see on the iOS 15 developer beta 4.89 gigabytes. And just click download and install. Enter my passcode. $18 minutes remaining.